Voyager Public Charter School STEM teacher, coordinator, and coach Wrayna Fairchild recently received the Presidential Award for Excellence. It's the nation's highest distinction math and science teachers can receive from the U.S. government.
I value that coming from the national level, the emphasis that's put on STEM, science and math, and recognizing those around the country that are, doing work to make meaningful learning experiences for the students.
Fairchild is an innovative educator with 16 years of experience, including several years teaching abroad.
I tend to do a lot outdoors involving our local community. So several years ago, I was at Ka'ohao Charter, and the students were very passionate about their local area. And one thing that they noticed is that there were these signs sometimes near the canal that said water wasn't healthy, danger, danger. And so, don't get in. So they had a lot of questions about that. So that led naturally to a water quality investigation that we conducted.
They partnered with a local environmental scientist, and they worked with the city and took part in the opening of the berm.
And we got to learn a lot about the process. For that, I partnered with an organization called GLOBE. So it's actually a global citizen science organization. And they were so impressed with the students' work on that project that they flew myself and a group of students out to NASA JPL in California, where they got to share their work with global peers as well as NASA scientists.
Wrayna did a similar project with her students at Voyager. She and her students were then invited to present their project at Nature Bridge in San Francisco. Fairchild has a passion for global education and enjoys creating opportunities for her students to connect with their global peers. Last year, they tackled United Nations sustainability goals, including clean water and sanitation.
And so we partnered with a school in Kenya. And so they were looking at creating a way that students could wash their hands on the play yard, devise a way to collect the rainwater and hold it in a container until it was time to be used.
Last spring, her 5th and 6th grade students created an art installation focusing on the UN's Sustainable Development Goal, Life Below Water. Her students also created a marine debris mural from trash collected at Malaikahana Beach. The mural won Kukua Hawaii Foundation's mural contest, and it earned them a water bottle refill station for their school. Fairchild has received numerous awards and grants, allowing her to travel to 54 countries, bringing back educational gold for her students. She says those experiences have trickled down to every facet of her teaching. Congratulations to Wrayna Fairchild for receiving the Presidential Awards for Excellence in Mathematics and Science Teaching.